Hey guys, this is Reganus here, bringing you some more on my little adventure here with texture packs and stuff. And I finally have gotten to the point where this is playable, this is decent. And let's just click here real quick. You don't have to see any of this. Just one moment. Oh snap. Uh, okay. Oh no. Okay, wait. I don't know why it has to do this. I wish they would like update it or something. Always doing this crap. Now if I press play and I go back, should all work. Okay, we're good now. Now, obviously, if you've seen my other videos, you know that it's not currently like like what I would say consider playable. It's very broken textures. None of it's really like functional. Like it is functional, but it's not completely there. But this is. Now I've managed to get the terrain or the blocks working, but I have not updated the items. So they still have their little glitches that I have to fix, and I'll go in and just fix that. But I was just so excited to bring you guys this video showing you all the stuff I've worked on and this world that I made with my brother. As you can see, we are in my test world. And yeah, let's just jump right in. We can see all the textures have changed. You can see the difference. I don't know. Let me go to sleep real quick. If I can. If I can. Well, I don't think I can go to sleep, but hopefully you guys can see it clearly. You can see here all the textures, the sign, the different types of woods. Just let you see that. You can has a Sphax. Now I know this is not like the HD version of Sphax. This is the most like the lower res version. This is a 16-bit, the 16 version, the 16 by 16 version, which is the lowest, and that is because Windows 10 the Windows 10 edition apparently has problems somehow like loading the bigger files. It crashes every time you try to put like a bigger file than that, so you have to go in and put all the smaller textures. We can see here obviously there are no boats like these in PC, so I don't have the textures for these yet, which I will make soon enough. Now you see these spawn eggs here. They don't have a haven't changed the textures for these. There's not like specific spawn eggs textures that I've found, but I might just be wrong. Don't quote me on that, cause just I'm not entirely sure. But you can see the items just like I showed you in the other videos. We have the I think this is the is this clay or this is possibly this is wool. This is the wool. Um, you can see here the redstone block, TNT. We can see here the clay. The mob heads haven't changed the Steve head yet, and that flower I will change in later update videos. We have the cake. What else? What else? We have the stones and the bricks right here. The cobblestone and the bricks, and here's the andesite and diorite and stuff. We'll continue on over here. You can see here the ores. Yeah, that's the ores and the ore blocks. We have this gigantic, well not gigantic, but large portal opened here. We have the netherrack, the quartz, and the glowstone. Soul sand with the nether warts. Now the soul sand and other textures are not yet animated, obviously. That I haven't been able to implement that because it's different. They don't have that in Pocket Edition, or I mean the Windows 10 edition, which is based on Pocket Edition. They don't have. I don't know yet how to set that up for animation, so it's just one texture instead of the animation. We'll jump into the nether later. Over here we have the sand, the sandstone, and the glass, and the dead bush. Down here I was trying to put the mobs, but for some reason they just die. Like If I put the zombie, so I can show you here, he just starts to die. He just starts dying right here. We have the creeper, the silverfish. That's the zombie. Zombie pigman. They just start dying. But we'll continue up. Now we have the passive mobs here. We got the pig, the cow, the villager. Now you can see there's like a glitch where the model thinks it has a nose, but there is no texture for the nose. It usually does that when it doesn't find a texture, it just puts black. I think it's just a shadow under it. I still haven't figured out how to change that. I think it has to do something with the shaders. Haven't really figured it out yet, but we have all this working for now. We have the sheep, we have the dog and the cat, and of course the mushroom. And I don't know if you can see it there clearly, but they are the squids. The squids. We'll continue and go up here. Let's see what we have up here. Nothing. Let's just go back down. You can see there the ice. I'll go take a better look at it. Okay, we have the ice here. Ice, snow, snow block. The grass. Now, I don't know why it does this, but the grass seems to like it looks different than the top grass. And I tried changing everything. I'll keep trying for now and see what happens. I haven't changed the grass because the grass is different as well. It's weird. I don't know how, like, I can change it, but it's different and it doesn't quite work properly. Like you can see over there, like the nether warts doesn't work properly either because it has that weird shadow under it of the regular one, of the original Minecraft default skin or texture pack. But you can see here the grass has changed. Just the top. Not sure. It just looks weird. Doesn't look. It looks like vanilla. Doesn't look normal. Doesn't look like the regular Sphax. Have the doors. Now show you the iron door. If it's in here. Oh, it's not in here. Oh, whatever. We can see here the crafting table, the anvil, I think this is the stone cutter. I don't know what that is. I mean the stone cutter. I've never really used it before. We have the chest, furnace, books, and brewing stand. Like there's the wool, and we can come over here to see all the plants. That one haven't really changed those. Sunflowers have changed. You can see here the wheat, the potatoes, and the carrots. Mushrooms. Looks nice and smooth. Or kind of. And then the mushroom over here. We have the pumpkins. We have the melons and the hay. And of course the cactus. As you can see, it looks all nice and cacti looking. And these are all the trees. We have the spruce, oak, birch, the roofed oak or the bigger oak, I don't know how to say it, and jungle. And I think that's pretty much it, all the blocks in Minecraft. I mean, there's other blocks, but for some reason, I would like to show you guys the armor, but in the creative on here, it doesn't have the armor. So it's a little strange on that note, but I will make another video, like some kind of survival thing, and I'll show you the iron armor and try to find diamond and whatnot, and we can go on a little adventure together. Oh wait, this is the mycelium and pot soul grass, or dirt. But yeah, like I was saying, we can go on a little adventure trying to find all the textures and whatnot, you know what I mean. Oh wait, oh wait, I haven't showed you guys the red sand yet. I'll pull it out right now. No, that's not it. Where's the red sand? The red sand. It's around here somewhere. No, that's not it. Oh, it's right here. Wow. We can put it there. It's red sand. Red sand, guys. Here you go. And that's pretty much it. And like I was saying before, you can go on a little adventure, see all the armor and stuff, and enjoy Sphax on Windows 10 edition all together. And then, or maybe before, I'll release some kind of tutorial. And let me tell you guys, this tutorial is not going to be simple. I have tried to simplify it the best I can, but it's just not a simple process. And this is really for people who really want to try this out and are like too desperate. And instead of going to, like, if you guys have the PC version and you can run resource packs or texture packs on there, you might as well just go on there until there is a better or more efficient way of doing this, of putting the texture packs, because it's very complicated and a lot of things go involved into this. I've spent like my 4 days without sleeping. I'm telling you guys, when I say I haven't slept, I have not slept at all. It's crazy. I don't even know how I'm alive right now. But anyways, this is the Nether. It is a lot of work, and it's not like I told this guy earlier. I saw in the comments he wanted to know where the stuff is, and I told him it's not like drag and drop. Microsoft has really like put themselves out there to make it the hardest thing ever to ever accomplish. But like I told the guy, if there's a will, there's a way. And I know you guys are probably tired of hearing that, but it's true. If there is a will, somebody's gonna find a way, and I have found it. You can see the Nether. So if you guys really want to try this out, and like I say, it's very difficult. You're not gonna have all the support for all the textures or anything like that. The Windows 10 is very strict on its textures. You can't even put like 1 pixel bigger. It's probably gonna crash anyways if you try to do that. It's just not gonna work. And it's very strict on its limits. For some reason, I tried using Pocket Edition textures and it still doesn't work because it's too HD. It will crash. And there's many things involved that just don't work. And I'm sorry guys for the laggy game. It's trying to render all the other parts over here. But yeah, what is this block over here? It's a soul sand. What is this? Oh, I forgot. I forgot I was uncreative. What is this? But I just flew, so it makes no sense. What is this block? Well, I don't know. I don't know what block that is. I don't know why they would have gravel in the world, but whatever. In the Nether. But yeah, I will be releasing that tutorial soon. I will try to make it as simple as... Where in the world am I? What is this? What in the... This is my old area. What the... I was just testing stuff out here. That's weird. But anyways, guys, just want to end the video here before I keep rambling and talking too much, because I, for some reason, just ramble about everything. Yeah. Release tutorial. Very complicated. Very complex. I try to make it as simple as possible. I have Sphax like 98.9% functioning correctly. And yeah, subscribe, smash that like button, and comment down below any of your questions, or if you guys want to see a specific texture pack on Windows 10 edition. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Later.